Hello everyone, let me show you how you can connect your Systeme account with your Google Calendar. So if you use the tool Calendar from Systeme, every time someone creates an event inside of your calendar, it's going to automatically create the event inside of your Google Calendar. So you need a Gmail account. And before we start, let me show you, if you haven't done yet, you can get your Launch Kit 2.0, where I give you 4 done for your system to generate your first $1,000 a month. It's 4 systems, 4 templates, 4 email sequences, 4 tutorial where I show you the full system, and it's free. You just click the very first link in the description. And also, if you don't have a Systeme account, you can get one for free by clicking the link in the description. Let's get started. From here, you will go on the right hand side, you see your profile picture and you click on settings. From here on the left menu, you're going to look for integrations and you click on it, and then you're going to see the Google Calendar integration. So you click on it and you click on connect. Once you've connected your Gmail, then you're going to click on continue. And from here, you're going to allow all. So you're going to let Systeme write events in your Google Calendar, and then you're going to click on continue. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. You have your Google Calendar connected to your Systeme account. You can see if you have other account, you can connect and add more than one account, and then you can check for conflict. Let's say you have a different event to prevent overbooking. So you're going to click on it and you can decide if you want to check for conflict inside of your calendar right here. So how would it work? If you use in the CRM and in calendar, if you create an event and you use the events in your you use calendar, in Systeme, every time someone, let's say, book a call with you on a specific date, it's going to automatically create the event inside of Google Calendar. So you're going to keep pace with it. Okay, super easy. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me to keep creating video like this, and I see you in the next video.